What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a queen size air mattress, you guys. Here we go. So the brand is called Sebor. There you go. You see where it's made in, right? So if you have a problem with that, get rid of everything in your house because nothing is made in America. All right, so here we go. Fresh out the box. This is a quick review today, you guys, because it's just an air mattress. All right, I'll get into specs later. We are going to see this thing blow up. Smell like inner tubes. They give you this. Patches for holes. All right, you guys. We are going to go ahead and open this. All right, so you open this. Here goes your electric extension cord. All right, so y'all see right there, it says down to inflate, in the middle is off, and up is deflate. So right now we are going to inflate. We are going to go down. All right, you guys, I got a little nervous, so I will see if this is automatically or automatic cutoff or not, but it still look like it could get blown up just a tad bit, but I think this may be good. Does it feel stiff?
Does it? It didn't even move.
It feels good?
Don't put him to sleep.
All right. All right, you guys.